Good morning, or afternoon, or evening.
So guys, we've made it to a place called Shimokitazawa. Our friends told us that this place has got loads of cool thrift stores, secondhand, like vintage shops. And guys, we need some new threads.
Yeah, we do.
So, as you know, if you've seen our last video, we were only able to bring 2 small packing cubes, one each. So we ain't got a lot of clothes. They're all quite stinky. And I'm not gonna lie, every time I stand and look at Japanese people, I'm like, they're so cool and I feel like such a dork. So I just really want to be like cool.
You're a lovable dork.
I want to look cool, guys. So we're gonna go check out these shops. I've heard they're not cheap, but let's see. Okay guys, what I've realized is vintage is not the same as secondhand, even though it is, because my dream of having 10,000 each and buying entire outfits has become 10,000 each might not buy me a t-shirt. It's expensive.
Not your vibe?
It's a cute old lady shop. I'm not
Perfect for you.
Guys, I'm not sure if this is the truth, but if so, we just found a shop that said all items are 700 yen, and if that's true, I can get me some outfits.
Yeah, that's less than a fiver.
I really hope it's true.
I don't know if I find it sad or what. There's just used car clothes and it's still got his name tag on it. So this is it. You're now Bob. That Bob?
Alright. For crying out loud, you're not.
This is Brian on it?
You're not giving me that shirt.
That's your new nickname, Brian.
I'm afraid.
It's your alter ego.
I was about to
Brian
say.
comes out the weekends.
I was about to say we should actually split off and buy each other now, but I'm a bit afraid based on that.
You get this Brian. You're gonna get Brian, and you're gonna get this.
I think that's a blanket.
Brian and a blanket.
Okay.
What do you think?
Look what this idiot has showed up with.
That's for you? This
Absolutely.
This is a fiver.
Look, this is the type of cool shit I bring
Look at
for
this
you.
cool diamond button.
You haven't seen this yet, but this was for you.
I actually like that.
I think that's very like Art Attack 1990s.
I feel like the Fresh Prince. Okay, let's give it a go. Hey, check it out.
Like I'm protect God.
I thought you didn't want pink stuff.
This doesn't count. This is like the most 90s thing I've ever seen, and I'm all about those 90s vibes.
You look like you're from Saved by the Bell.
Yeah,
gonna
that's what
call
I was
you
just thinking.
Lisa Turtle.
Who? That's so
You need
weird.
to try this on.
This is literally the most hideous thing. I don't think I've seen a more hideous thing.
Oh, you might be surprised.
I don't think I've seen a more hideous thing.
I think you'll be surprised. You going to church?
I literally feel like not even my mum. My mum's cooler than this. What's it look like? I don't even want to go out in
It
public.
looks sick.
No, it doesn't.
You look awesome.
No, it
Let us know in the
doesn't.
comments, does Keely suit this? Should she get it?
I feel like I'm an 80-year-old woman called like Beatrice or something.
No offense to any
Beatrices
Beatrices
out there.
in the chat.
Okay guys, Billy's not the greatest at shopping for me. He didn't find me anything. In fact, the oil jumper that I chose for him, I'm getting to keep. And I'm gonna have it. Got him a purple jumper and then this ridiculously
This keeps going.
long vest t-shirt thing.
Don't worry, I will find you something. There's plenty other stores.
Okay.
We'll find you something outrageous.
I want a green tartan one. It's max budget. He said no more than 2,000 per item, but
Which is £12.
so I'm allowed my £12 jacket. Perfect for autumn in Japan, I think. Nope.
What do you mean, no?
Nope. Literally the second you put it on, it was like nope. Everything about that's a nope, but turn around so we can all see it. Oh my lord, I've never hated anything more in my life. Oh my goodness, are these as cute as they feel? Are these as cute as they feel? Guys, I picked them up saying they're cute shoes with no dreams in my mind they might be my size, and they're my size.
I'm happy for
Goodness, I
you.
can't believe these are my size. Guys, you don't get it. I'm a size 3. That doesn't exist. Like, I'm actually so cute. I'm in love with these shoes.
Not gonna lie, this whole charity shop, you know, buying for each other started off as a meme, but it's quickly become as a complete redesign of our wardrobe.
Yeah, this is great. And also, how good, like, no fast fashion, not going in the bin, being reused. I feel good about it. We're now on the 3rd floor of this place where I've got these cute shoes and that jacket. And I have to say, I think this is the best one we've been in because it's the closest to like UK thrift shops where it's got loads of shoes, it's got hats, everything's kind of all mixed and out and about. And it's got proper like charity feeling vibes, it's cool. Yeah, it's got so much stuff. Look at these shoes.
Someone's excited. Okay, I'm gonna make a pretty bold statement.
Okay.
I never want to buy new clothes again.
Oh, that is a bold statement. I'm on for that.
Yeah.
Guys, that was so much fun. I actually enjoyed that so much. There's quite a few places called Stick Out, just a little shout out for anyone who's coming here. And they've got a really good selection as well.
And it's all really cheap. The majority of the stuff that we bought were averaged around 1,000 yen, which is £6.
Yeah.
Like, that's crazy.
There
for
are
jumpers, for t-shirts, for jackets, for shoes.
Yeah.
Your shoes were £9.
That's so good. And there are loads of expensive places, but I'm telling you now, if you have a £50 budget, that was our goal, you can buy stuff for 50 quid, you just gotta go looking for it. And that was just so good.
Right, we're gonna go and chill out.
Yeah, we're gonna go meet some friends and have some fun. I'm in great mood, but I put away my clothes because people smoke inside here, which is not normal in the UK, so I've got to protect my new threads, guys.
It's a good idea.
Yeah. Let's go.
We'll catch you soon. Good morning, team.
Morning.
Our first stop today is Harajuku. We've just arrived at Harajuku station. Guys, honestly, every time I wake up, I have to pinch myself. I cannot believe that we are in Tokyo.
Yeah,
honestly, this is so cool. Reason why we're in Harajuku, it's a Saturday today, and apparently that's when like all the fashion is out and on full flow, full display.
Harajuku fashion is like a specific style, and guys, now that I've got my new shoes, I feel like, you know, I'm cool.
We're actually both wearing some of our haul. Well,
I'm cool enough to come here now.
Well, let's not go that far.
Okay, apparently Philly is too hungry to wait for coffee.
Yes.
And I need coffee more than I'm hungry, so for once we're compromising and doing what Philly wants.
Look, if you didn't get food, you would be hangry as well.
I am hungry, but I also need coffee.
I don't care.
Wise up.
I'm the compromiser.
Wise up.
Let's do what you want to do.
Let's go get food. So it came for some vegan ramen. It's not that expensive, it's only $5. Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's really good. Harajuku seems to be where it's at right now.
Oh yeah, it's so alternative, it's cool. Look how spicy looking his ramen is.
It looks amazing. I'm excited.
Okay, that place was ridiculously delicious and such good value.
So, you think after all that food, you know, one would be satisfied? But no, gotta get this one coffee.
And a vegan donut, guys.
And then I promise we're gonna do something.
Yeah, then we'll go explore Harajuku.
All we've done so far in Tokyo is eat. It's just like Thailand all over again.
Guys, what can I say? We freaking love food, but I'm really excited to see the like kawaii fashion. I'm definitely saying that wrong.
Oh, let's go this way.
Okay. I'm coming.
This is our vegan donuts spot.
For a split second I thought people were queuing for donuts and I was like, well,
That
I'm
makes
in now.
sense.
I'm in now. But I think we're next door. This girl be happy. But coffee's even more expensive than a donut, so I gotta go get it somewhere else.
That's
So cute. Okay, so now in Harajuku there's this big beautiful park called Yoyogi Park, which is meant to have Yoyogi, which is meant to have like cherry blossom parts, like rose gardens, a lakey pondy thing.
A lakey pondy thing?
Yeah, and a big shrine. My point is, it's very diverse, got loads of beautiful plants. I'm excited to go check it out.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yoyogi.
Yoyogi.
Yoyogi Park kind of reminds me of Hyde Park in London, where it's just full of people having fun, people playing games, people playing instruments, people sitting with their dogs, people have got sofas, people are just doing crazy shit here, and I'm all about it. It's cool. It's got good vibes. Yeah, we're walking through Yoyogi Park, and guys, there are a lot of spiders and they look really cool, and apparently there's a really big one over here, so let's go see. Sorry to Philly sisters, you may want to look away while we show you all the spiders.
Yeah, look away now.
Philly.
Oh, his nose is moving. He's eating something. Now you can look back.
Of course.
I get licks. Bestow upon me your knowledge.
I mean, I just read it all and I forgot it, but I know that these are sake barrels wrapped in straw, and they are given every year in representation of something that I don't know. And then behind us is what appears to be wine barrels.
Ooh,
yeah,
enough said,
cool.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So, also in Yoyogi Park is Meiji Shrine. I think it's pronounced Meiji.
Yeah, we're probably saying everything wrong.
And it's just pretty grand.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The architecture is so beautiful. The gates are super beautiful. All the trees around. It's kind of crazy to think that this is literally in the middle of Tokyo, like the middle of the city.
Cool. Lined the whole way down here is all these different bonsai plants and flowers and stuff, and we haven't even got inside, and it's cool.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's continue.
Yeah.
What's that frowny face for?
I'm not frying. I don't mean to. I've just got RBF. I was going to say, we're in a place called Takeshita Street. This is where all the cool teenagers come, so we're
That's
here.
why we're here?
Yeah, 'cause we're so cool and we're so young and
inner
hip.
teenagers.
You know? So, let's explore.
No.
Literally standing on the street with an otter on his head, like an otter. Look at that, baby. I'm not gonna lie, I freaking love Moss Burger. And they've got this beautiful plant-based one, and it's cheap, and we'll probably come here more than we really should. Yeah. A kind elderly Japanese man had to teach us how to open these sauce because we didn't understand it. Oh, look at that, that is sensual.
The quietest you've been all day.
It's a post-food coma. Oh, it feels so good.
But you could pick me up. Shall we get back out?
Yeah, let's go explore somewhere. Okay guys, we didn't have much luck earlier with seeing people like all fully dressed up with the gorgeous hair and everything. So
What do you mean? You seen me? I'm right here.
We thought we'd come back and like maybe there'll be more later, but I just can't see anyone. But yeah, we seen some for a split second walking into a shop earlier, and I tried to zoom in, but I don't think I seen them. But you know, we're in Tokyo for a good while, so hopefully we'll see some in future videos.
Yes, we will.
Some of the stereotypical things to do in Harajuku is candied strawberries, crepes, long potatoes, and candy floss. Guys, I need myself some multicolored candy floss. When do you ever eat candy floss? It's such a kid thing. I want to do it.
It is a kid thing.
But I have no idea how much it's going to cost, so we'll go check and let you guys know. Okay guys, I'm not allowed candy floss because it's too expensive.
Spending the same amount of candy floss as we spent on those ramen earlier.
More, it costs more to buy that candy floss. I was like, is that going to be that expensive? It's just some spun sugars, mostly air, but turns out it is. Looks cute, but you know.
Definitely a novelty. Guys, I don't have many teeth left.
Yeah, that's true, our teeth aren't the greatest. Let's go see how much candy the strawberries are. I'm freaked out.
Guys, it's just so awesome.
It really is. I am not joking. We are so happy to be in Tokyo. I'm not joking.
It's like a sensory overload, but in a good way.
Yeah, it's just incredible.
Yeah,
And we realised the other day, Tokyo was one of the first places we came to as a couple together. Like imagine the first place you go travelling to together to be Tokyo. No wonder we love
And now
it
it's
so
the
much.
last.
Oh sheesh, we have loads of travelling left in us, but man, we're excited to be here for a few months. It's just going to be so good.
Big time.
If anyone has been and has recommendations for Tokyo or Japan, like seriously let us know in the comments. We're up for experiencing everything.
Yeah. Let's go walk across Shibuya Crossing at night.
Yeah, let's. So cool.
Guys, what a day. I am pooped.
Me too, my feet are aching.
Yeah, me too.
We've done a lot of walking.
So much walking. Guys, I'm loving this. This has been so much fun.
Yeah, it has. If you want to see more of Tokyo and Japan, make sure to hit the subscribe button and come back, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.